So boys and girls, for some additional practice, in front of you I've projected the blend and read page with words using the schwa plus the L sound. So if we look at the first row, we have the words whistle, formal, puzzle, counsel, and syllable. And what I'd like for you to do is to pause this video and take some time to go through each of these words and look at the end. What sound, the ends of each word, and what sounds do you hear in the last syllable of each word? And what letters stand for those sounds? If you had to divide the syllables or divide the words into syllables, where would you actually make those divisions? And as you're looking at the ending, the final schwa sound, remember the three different ways that that final L can be spelled. It can be spelled with an LE, it can be spelled with an EL, or it can be spelled with an AL. So these are different examples using all three of those final schwa plus the L sounds.